An SBA loan for a gas station is not that difficult to find if you know where to look. Out of the hundreds or thousands of SBA lenders, approximately less than a dozen do 75% of SBA loans for a gas station. Why so few? The answer is simple. It's a cash business with a large percent of stations that underreport their income, and the possibility exists that a site can have an environmental issue due to leaks from underground storage tanks and or piping from the gas pumps, plus spills from fuel tanker trucks or from people filling up their gas tanks. A small percentage of environmental problems also come from migration from another location. In truth, these incidents are significantly less than decades ago, but most lenders don't spend the time to find this out. There's also SBA lenders that are not traditional banks that are referred to as non-bank SBA lenders. They have a higher cost of funds than a bank. What this means is a non-bank lender in theory cannot be as competitive in pricing as a bank. Non-bank SBA lenders are more collateral driven than banks. The SBA has a regulation that all loans must be 100% collateralized if collateral is available. However, a loan can't be declined if it's not available. Unless you're putting down at least 20 to 25%, most gas stations will be considered under collateralized. The reason for this is simple. After an appraisal is done, the bank will discount the appraisal. It's normally discounted 20 to 25% for real estate improvements, depending upon the lender, 50% for certain types of equipment, and goodwill has a zero collateral value. Most appraisals will show 10 to 15% of the total amount to be goodwill. Most SBA 7A loans will have a floating rate, normally based on prime. A few of them will fix the rate, but not for the life of the loan. The advantages of an SBA loan are normally you can get a higher advance and frequently finance the working capital and inventory. Banks like the SBA loans because of the 75% guarantee it offers to the bank in case of default. It is fully amortized, frequently for close to 25 years, and if it's real estate transaction and a note will not come due like a conventional loan would. You can take your calculator and find out that the cost of funds will be less, and the return on investment, or ROI, will be more than many conventional loans in spite of the rate being less. There is no question that there's a bit more paperwork to fill out, but an SBA lender that has their act together shouldn't take that much more time to get a loan done. Many of the aggressive banks and lenders sell off the guaranteed portion of the loan as a primary source of revenue for the bank. It's in their best interest to be competent and fast. Contact PetroMAC today to see if an SBA loan is best for you.